Good morning everyone. Today is 22nd April 2020 and today is something special. Can you guess what? Yes, today we celebrate our Earth Day. So, to celebrate this, the students of a school has performed a morning assembly. So let's listen what they wants to share with you all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Isha Verma and I am going to recite a poem on Earth Day. Our Earth is special. There is this world. It gives us water, soil and sun. Plants and animals share the lands. Let's all lend a helping hand. We can save water and plant a tree and make a better home for you and me. Recycle the things we throw away. Make every day an Earth Day. Thank you.
Happy Earth Day. Good morning. I am Arjun. You all know that we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April. And this year, this is the 50th anniversary of the Earth Day. I water the plants daily because trees and plants play important role in our lives. They give us oxygen so that we can breathe. So today, on Earth Day, I will do plantation of the plant. So have a look. Firstly, I take some soil and put it in the pot. Then make a hole in the soil. Put the plant in the hole and then cover the hole. Then water it. I have to take care of this plant daily so that it can survive. So friends, always remember, plant a tree and make a difference in your life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ravi Moji of class 8 is going to present thought on Earth Day. When we see the Earth from space, we see ourselves as whole. We see unity and not division. It is a simple image with a comparing message. One planet and one human race by Stephen Hawking. Thank you.
The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. The earth is what we all have in common. Thank you.
We are so happy to see that our students have so much of concern about their environment and totally aware about what is going on their earth. We are so proud of you. Students always remember to use the 3 R's for the environment, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. So plant more trees, stay home, stay safe.